All right, you guys, I'm so excited because guess what came in the mail? I got a sample from... Here we go. Oh, look at this. These are called Color Street nails. Ooh. You guys, she let me choose what design I wanted, and I wanted the fall collection. She sent me... Oh, nice. Look, this is a really nice nail file. The videos I watched on how to do this, because I want to do a demo for you guys, they're small nail files, and she sent me a large one. I will totally use this, Crystal. Totally, because look how jaggedy my nails are right now. Okay, first of all, this is why I'm excited to use this product, because my nails always look crummy. Look, I'm going to already use this nail file. And they always look a little dirty. You want to know why? And I just took a shower and washed my hair. It's because I'm in the soil all the time. Like every day. And so I think my nails get stained. So it'll be really, really good to use this product to cover the dirty nails. Most of the time I don't do a YouTube video because my nails look like this. All right. So also in the envelope were 2 catalogs, and I'll put her contact information and a link to where you can buy from her in the show more section of this video. And this one says limited time only. There's some stars in here. We better buy soon. Oh my God, there's so many that I want already. Of course, I want the ones with the stars. That one, that one, that one, that one. Oh, baseball. So cute. And then this is the fall winter. And I just wanted to bring you here so that you could see, you can get a good indication of what the color is going to look like. But let me show you what it looks like in real life, because Crystal is so generous. She also sent me these accent nails, and check out the shine and shimmer on these guys. And what I like about this, you know, when I do the gel nails or even regular polish, it's hard to get even distribution of different glitter types on the nail like this. So these are well done and so much more vivid, because it's hard to they do a good job in the catalog, but it's hard to capture the color. So check that out. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we are going to put this on, and I filed my nails down. With the nail file Crystal gave me. And what's cool about this is it gives you everything you need to do this. So there was emery board, and you have 2 nail prep pads, and then we also have Color Street. I pushed back my cuticles, and now I'm going to use the alcohol wipe, and I'm just going to wipe down
each nail to remove any residue. I guess they don't want, you know, oils and that kind of stuff. So get it good and clean.
And what you're going to do is you're going to measure your nail bed to the strip. This would be too small, because see how it doesn't cover the whole thing? Too big is okay, but I must have some big nail beds here because I have to use the biggest one. Here's my nails so far. I did these pretty quickly too. A lot better than the other nails that were stained, right? They look pretty cool. I like them. So very fall. Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell you. You take off the clear strip like I showed you before, and to take off the second part, it's just the silver part. See how I can lift that up? So that's a lot easier to do. And then you just separate it out, line it up. Got to get it in the frame first. Try not to get it on your cuticle. Like so. And I do kind of stretch it out a little bit. And then I will cut it. And I kind of just turned my nail over just so I could see. Oh, sorry. Get in the frame, girl. Cut it like that. And, you know, if you have long nails, you're going to have to use both packs. But since I have shorter nails, I can maybe get away. My thumbs are a little bit longer, so let's see what happens here. Well. I'm a little short there. So I might have to break out the other nail. Okay, so for my last nail, I'm going to use this tool because I don't want to ruin my other nails. And I'm just going to go and burnish it and kind of try to create a break in the extra areas. And then it'll just come off. Like so. Just slide off. Okay, then I had an idea. See how I have this tip right here? That's my nail. Well, let's see if this will work. I saved some of this accent nail stuff. I don't know. Let's just try it out. What have we got to lose? If I don't like it, I can break into the other nail thing. If I do like it, we could discover something new. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna like it. Look at that. And I can create like a little French tip. That's cool. Okay, so you could kind of save your nail pieces and do something with it. I bet nobody's made a video about that. Ta-da! I really like these. Crystal did tell me if I wanted to, I could just put a top coat over it so they'll last longer. I might do that tomorrow. But for now, happy nails. Very pretty, right? I think they look good. Better than they did before, that's for sure. Okay, and I abuse my nails. Oh my God, I'm in that garden every day. My community garden and my backyard garden, and I'm always doing something hard on my nails. So now they look cute for fall. Thanks, Crystal. One tip I wanted to give you, if you didn't use all your color strips, what you can do is you can put them back in the bag. You can seal it with like a flat iron, or you could just take a flame and then you could just seal the bag like that. I think that's the easiest. Just make sure that the strips are far down so they don't melt. How you save your extra color sheets from Color Street. Okay guys, so here's Crystal's information, and I will put the link in the show more area on the description, and you can access her area to order from her. Please order from her. She is a single mom, and we should support women. I believe in it, and she's a total sweetheart, and the product is great. I love the way they look, and I'll be showcasing this in my videos when I do my Instagram. I do lettering or something like that. I will definitely give a shout out to her. All right, thanks a lot for watching, and as always, life after 40 is good, and so are you, and so are these nails. Happy fall, y'all. Take care. Until next time. Color Street.